In a bustling city like Austin, Texas, where businesses, residences, and public spaces thrive, surveillance systems play a major role in ensuring both security and safety. However, the overall value of a surveillance system isn't merely in its installation. Regular maintenance of CCTV and other surveillance equipment is essential to ensure functionality, reliability, and optimal performance. Proper upkeep helps prevent costly repairs, ensures footage quality, and maximizes the equipment's lifespan. In Austin, several security companies offer comprehensive maintenance plans that handle everything from routine cleaning to in-depth system diagnostics. Partnering with professionals ensures that all maintenance steps are completed thoroughly and that any technical issues are handled by experts, minimizing the risk of operational issues. By following a detailed CCTV maintenance checklist and scheduling regular inspections, Austin property owners can maintain the effectiveness of their surveillance systems, ensuring that they remain a reliable tool for safety and security.